Is cereal a type of soup? There's an interesting question. Thank you for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. People have debated this topic many times regarding if cereal is a type of soup. What I love about this topic is that hopefully I won't get into trouble. In that, if, for example, if I was standing here and lecturing on politics, then whatever I say would cause controversy, and whatever I say, I might have people hating me. Hopefully, if I talk about cereal and soup, I won't make too many enemies. So with this interesting question, it actually brings up quite a few possibilities. I even produced a Venn diagram to show. For example, arguably, soup and cereal are just completely different. If it's soup, it cannot be cereal. If it's cereal, it cannot be soup. Another possibility is that soup and cereal are one and the same. It's two words for the same thing. And if you're eating soup, you're eating cereal. And if you're eating cereal, you're eating soup. That's also possible. Another possibility is the actual topic, the main topic, that cereal is a type of soup. That means if you're eating cereal, it's automatically soup, but a soup might not be cereal. And the other possibility is that soup is a type of cereal. So if you're eating soup, it's cereal, but not the other way around. And there's another possibility that it overlaps. Some cereals are soup and some soups are cereal, but it's possible to have cereal without it being soup, and it's possible to be soup without it being cereal. So those are the possibilities. So I've had to think very carefully, obviously, and to try address this, I had to actually look at the definitions of the words. So, okay, so to begin with, soup. Soup, it's a liquid dish with either usually water, stock, broth or milk is that liquid to be eaten with usually with a spoon. There might be solid ingredients such as boiled meat, fish or vegetables. And soup is usually warm or hot, not necessarily, because there's gazpacho soup which is cold. So it's that liquid which makes it the soup. Now if we look at cereal, cereal is processed grains such as wheat, corn, oats or rice in small dry pieces in a format that is ready to eat. It's typically eaten with a liquid, usually milk, sometimes yogurt, usually for breakfast, and usually it's cold. Now there is one major difference between soup and cereal, and that is with soup, it's the liquid that makes it the soup. So if we had those ingredients, let's say it was the vegetables you're going to put in, and we have those vegetables, that's not soup. Whereas with cereal, it's those grain ingredients that make it the cereal. With cereal, I take the cereal and I add it into the milk. So it was cereal before we put it into the milk. That means we know for certain, at least the possibility is there, that a cereal is not necessarily soup. Because if that cereal is not in a liquid yet, it's definitely not soup. But that brings up the question then, can cereal sometimes be a type of soup? For that, I have to look at the ingredients. Now, the soup and cereal can have the same liquid. A soup can have milk, and so can cereal. But if we take the ingredients that make up a cereal, it's those grains that I mentioned. Can any of one of them be a defining definition of a soup? And unfortunately not. I cannot find a single ingredient by definition. This would make it a soup and this would make it a cereal. So by using that type of definition, I believe cereal and soup are totally separate. You're either eating a soup or a cereal or neither of them. There's not an overlap. But then one can argue, but what if you've got some of those grains, which we mentioned, and some of those vegetables inside that milk? Therefore, it's a soup and a cereal. You see, that is true, but what you're doing is you're taking defining ingredients from soup and cereal and putting it together. You see, I'm looking for one ingredient that can be both. And the problem, if you take one from each and put it together, using that type of reasoning, you can equate any type of foods. I can take, this is an orange. Look what we have here. Here's cereal, that's the grains, there's the milk, whatever. This is actually vegan milk. I can dunk this orange inside here. So it's got some of that milk with it and some of the grains. And look, this is a type of cereal because it's got some cereal ingredients with it. You see, and using that reasoning, we can take any two things and say, hey, they can be the same. And that's why I don't use the argument, what if it's got this ingredient and that ingredient? It has to be a specific ingredient, which is both. So I gave you my analysis. And as always, what are your thoughts? And remember, if it's a cereal or a soup, better not use a fork. Bon appetit.